Hey guys, I bet you're wondering why I'm not inside behind a computer screen today. Well, that's because this thing took a shit on me the other day, and I'm going to blow it up, rather than just throwing it out like a normal human. So I attached the firework to the back of the mouse, wrapping it around with just the cord simply, and now I'm going to light it to see what happens. Don't try this at home. Well, that didn't really do shit, so we got this solution. This should do
a lot of damage.
What you doing there, buddy?
I'm gonna wrap this f***er up.
Oh.
Mouse go bye-bye in 3, 2, 1. And there's a smoking mouse. Heard of the smoking gun before, but never heard of the smoking mouse. Your very own mouse wheel.
Oh my God.
She is no more. Good 7 years served. And now to clean this shit up. Welcome guys to a video. Today I will be unboxing my new computer mouse because my old one broke. So ordered it on Amazon, had 1-day shipping, and it's a Logitech G600. I'll pop the specs up on the screen, but here is the mouse. Woohoo! It's Logitech G600. It's got a lot of buttons on the side, and looks like oh, before I go any further, this video is not sponsored by Logitech. And this mouse contains 20 programmable buttons, a G-shift double button, customizable RGB lighting, up to 16 million different combinations. It's just, you know, focus on that for a second. But yeah, there's the outside packaging. Standard Logitech packaging. Got this nice braided cable. I love that. Keeps a clean look on my setup. Oh, they send you a good sticker. Cool. Put that off to the side for now. Very nicely packaged. Tight. Ooh, it's got some heft to her. Alrighty. There she is. use this little cable so I can plug it in and we can take a peek at it. Regardless of it being on, it looks pretty sick. That's gonna take some getting used to. They don't really click too much, but sounds good. Right click sounds good, and the button for that finger now that I wanted. Then I got these two buttons up here. Ooh. There's the peel start. Ah. Redeem it with one. There we go. Add all of it. Nope. We got more. No, I don't. But yeah, that's the new mouse. It's gonna be controlling for all my gaming. Ooh. Those are some bright RGBs. Alright, so after using this mouse for about a week now, I have a lot of pros and a couple of cons. I'm going to start with the cons, and the first one being this mouse, it's heavy. It is 133 grams. And to put that into perspective for me, my old mouse, it only weighed 61 grams. And two, but this one's not a problem for me, but it might be for some people, it's got a cord. Cord drag, some people claim. I solve that issue simply by coiling the cord up once this way, and then it's just got this arch, and it comes upward from the mouse. You can see right like that. And then it doesn't hit the desk here, so you're not really interfered. You have a little bit up here dragging around. Like if I move it down here, you can see it, the cord drags up there, but it's not really affecting me at all in gameplay, and I played a lot of games this past week. And moving on to the pros, it's really easy to program, and the software you should download with it is the Logitech G Hub app, and it's really easy to use, and I figured it out in like a minute. In fact, the G key on my keyboard quit working earlier this week, so I reprogrammed G to that key right there, and by holding shift on the keyboard I can click it and make a capital G, or just click it and have a lowercase g. And the mouse is very accurate with both 1 and 2 screens. As you saw in the specs, it goes from 200 to 8200 DPI. Really freaking accurate, really spot on with that. And another thing that's a pro is it's got the exceptional Logitech build quality that you'd expect from a company that's been in it this long, and it easily glides across both the mouse pad and the desktop. And all around, it's an amazing mouse. I paid about 35 bucks for it, but I've seen the price as high as 70, so if you plan on getting one, don't buy if the price is up high. Buy it at a lower price. Hope you have enjoyed this video. A little different than the gaming content, but I wanted to do this as well. This was pretty darn cool to do. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.